Welcome to 245 Westchase Drive, located in a tucked away gem of a community. This is an unbeatable location, convenient to Green Hills, Belle Meade, and the West End corridor. Light and bright, this unit has been refreshed from top to bottom. It's aesthetically pleasing and so pretty. You'll love the vaulted ceiling in the living room and the cozy fireplace. Check out this private patio, and there's a community pool just a short walk away. And the primary bath, it's a true spa-like retreat. Are you ready to see more? Call your Nashville Realtor today.